everybody, this is Jenny, and this is day 29 of my 90-day tougher challenge. I went to the gym this morning, and since tomorrow is my cardio day at home, we went ahead and did my 30-day measurements and weight just to go ahead and record that while we were at the gym. And so I have officially lost 9.2 pounds in 29 days, 30 days. I have lost almost 9 inches, and I was really excited to see some loss in my stomach and hip area, which is my main trouble area. And then I've lost, it was like 2.5% body fat. So I was super excited about that and pretty proud of myself. I got on the treadmill to see how fast I could do my mile, and I actually really struggled through that. As soon as I started running, my legs started hurting again, and it did not hurt all weekend, so I thought I was better, but so that kind of got me a little bit down. And then I went to boot camp, and Shayla pushed me. I had a hard time today getting through that, so I think I ended up, the hardest were the box jumps where you jump up on the box, and I had to do 24 times. So I ended up doing 80 of those. So that was definitely probably the hardest part of the day. And it was every single one I was struggling to get up with. But my food was really good today. I met my mom for lunch at Applebee's, and they have the healthy menu, and everything's under 550 calories. And although that's high, they have some that are less than that, but that's still, they had some really good food on there. So I had the steak there today with some potatoes. And then I was at the grocery store, and Abby Grace's school called, and she was sick, so I had to leave to go pick her up. So I've been kind of nursing her this afternoon, and had salsa chicken tonight. And this afternoon for my snack, this is my new favorite snack. You get baked scoops, and I put it on like a cookie sheet and put some foil down, and scoop out some Rotel into the scoops, and then put Parmesan cheese on top, which is super high in protein, and then broil it in the oven for like 2.5 minutes, and they get really crispy and the cheese melts. Oh, I love nachos in it, and so it gives me that. So I really feel like it's a cheat, but it's not. So that's my new favorite snack that I've been doing several times a week. So anyway, it's been a really good day. Y'all have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.